The Garden of Delight. In the quiet aftermath of creation, a new world blossomed, even more intimate and alive. A garden appeared, lush and radiant, cradled by rivers that sparkled like liquid crystal. Every tree bore fruit of every kind, glowing with colors more vivid than any painter could imagine. The air was sweet with the scent of blossoms, and the gentle rustle of leaves sang lullabies to the wandering wind. The river that divides and nourishes. A mighty river flowed through the garden, splitting into 4 smaller streams, each glistening and alive with shimmering fish. Its waters nourished the soil, making everything grow abundantly. Sunlight danced on the gentle ripples, and birds dipped to drink, leaving arcs of glittering droplets behind. The garden was alive, vibrant, a living mosaic of nature's finest wonders. The creation of man. Amidst this paradise, the voice gently formed a man from the very dust of the earth. Warm and living, he opened his eyes to the wonder around him. The garden seemed to welcome him, the grass bent softly under his steps, flowers tilted to greet him, and the gentle hum of life filled his ears. He was given the sacred task to care for this garden, to walk in harmony with all that lived there. The trees of life and knowledge. In the heart of the garden stood 2 extraordinary trees, one of life, shining with a radiant golden glow, and one of knowledge, its branches adorned with mysterious, darkly shimmering fruits. The man could eat from any tree except one, the tree of knowledge, which stood as a symbol of choice, wisdom, and responsibility. The garden was not just a place of beauty but of lessons waiting to be discovered. The first companionship. The man wandered through the garden, naming animals as they appeared, each with its own beauty and song. Yet, no creature seemed to match him, and a gentle longing filled the air. Then, in a deep, mystical sleep, the man was given a partner, a woman, shaped from his own being. When he awoke, he saw her and felt a deep recognition, a connection that shimmered like sunlight through leaves. Together, they were to share the garden, its wonders, and its responsibilities. Unity and innocence. The man and woman were naked, yet they felt no shame. The garden wrapped them in innocence and wonder, and every creature moved freely alongside them. Life in the garden was simple, pure, and harmonious, a world where trust and care were as natural as the rivers that flowed and the wind that whispered through the trees. Reflections and lessons. Genesis chapter 2 emphasizes intimacy, care, and responsibility in creation. It teaches that humans are not only part of nature but stewards of it, called to nurture and protect life. The chapter also highlights the importance of relationships, trust, and choice. Innocence and harmony can exist when we live with awareness and respect for each other and the world around us. It reminds us that life is a shared gift, meant to be cherished, explored, and honored.